lovely people. In this video, I will be sharing with you the best whitening facial creams that you can use on your face to lighten and also whiten your face as well. And this face cream is recommended for light skinned people, fair skinned people, and also people who want to be extra fairer or people who want to whiten their face. All right, and also if you have facial problems like dark spots, pimples, blemishes, sunburn, wrinkles, or any other facial problems, then this video I'm doing or this video I'm about to do is for you. Beautiful people, my name is Edem and welcome to Edem Care channel. This is a skincare channel where we speak about skincare products. We give reviews on skin products and also we share skincare tips with you guys. So if you are new to this channel, I will plead with you to kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification so that anytime a video is being shared here, you will be able to receive a notification from us. And also we will share with you how to take a very good care of your skin. And I will plead with you to kindly like and share our videos as well. And if you are a return subscriber, I would like to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you for coming back to this channel. And I love you so much and God bless you all. Let's divert into the topic of today. You know, we have so many whitening facial creams, all right? And these facial creams are facial creams that I have testified it myself, and I would like to share my honest review with you guys and also how to use these facial creams. There are people who are dark but then they don't know what type of facial creams to use on your face. Or there are people who are fair or people who have light skin, but then they have facial problems and they don't know the exact facial creams to use on their face. But today, I will share with you some few whitening facial creams that you can use to lighten or whiten your face if you are already fair and you want to be extra fairer. And also these facial creams also clear facial problems. Beautiful people, if this sounds like something you love to hear more, please stay with me. I will be back for more. So guys, you know, this facial or whitening face creams that I want to share with you, it's not recommended for dark skin people. It's not recommended for a caramel skin people. It's recommended for light skin people or people who want to be extra fairer or people who want to whiten their face. So the first one on my list here is Golden Super Whitening Intense Half Cast Face Corrector. This is a face cream that is formulated to whiten the face. This facial cream clears dark spots on the face, it clears pimples on the face, it clears blemishes on the face, it reduces aging. It also makes the face very soft and smooth. The ingredients that I use to formulate this facial cream whiten and brighten the face. So if you are someone who is already fair or you have a lighter face and you want to be extra fairer, you can grab this golden super whitening intense half cast face corrector to use on the face. But you have to understand that any whitening product that you used on the face, you need to protect the face from the sun because the ingredients in these facial creams are very strong And you have to understand also that they are not whitening products that contain sunscreen. Okay, they are facial creams, or it's a face cream that whiten the face instantly. Moreover, when you start using this facial cream, within 7 days to 14 days, you would be able to see a massive result on your face. But then, don't use this facial cream and stop on the way. You have to use it consistently to achieve the exact results that you want. Okay, the side effect of this facial cream is that it's not recommended for sensitive skin people. So if you have a sensitive face and you use this facial cream, you end up having reddish on the face, and also it gives itches on the face, and it will damage the face for you. That is when you have a sensitive skin. So this is a particular face cream that is not recommended for all skin type. Okay, it's recommended for normal skin people and people who want to lighten your face, but you have to protect the face from the sun when you are using this facial cream. The second one on my list here is Original Pure Egyptian Magic White Facial Cream. Most of these facial creams contain strong chemicals, okay, and they are facial creams that really whiten the face within some few days. Okay, this facial cream is really good to lighten or whiten the face. This facial cream also clears dark spots on the face. It clears blemishes on the face. It whitens the face. It lightens the face. It makes the face very soft. It moisturizes the face, and it nourishes the face as well. So if you want to whiten your face, you want to lighten your face, and you are a fair skin person and you want to clear your facial problems, you can get this facial cream and use to treat the problems. But you have to understand that it's not recommended for dark skin people. It's a product that is recommended for people who are already fair and they want to be extra fairer. All right, this Egyptian face cream is good for people who want to lighten your face. So you have to know your skin type before you go in for a whitening facial creams. It clears dark spots, it clears pimples, it clears blemishes on the face, it clears sunburn, and it makes the face very smooth as well. The third one on my list here is XX White Extra Whitening Face Cream. This is also a face cream that is formulated to whiten and brighten the face. It's a face cream that contains strong chemicals, okay, and it's not recommended for all skin type. It's recommended for people who want to whiten their face. So maybe if you have a dull face and you want to brighten or lighten the face, you can get this XX White Extra Whitening Face Cream to use on the face. This face cream also treats dark spots on the face. It clears sunburn, it treats pimples, it makes the face very smooth. It also nourishes the skin, and it's lighting the face as well. When you start using this facial cream, improvement or results starts from 7 to 14 days. Okay, it's some people see the results earlier than that, or earlier than the number of days stated. Okay, it's whitening the skin. It's not recommended for dark skin people. So if you are a dark skin person, please stay away from this facial cream because you end up damaging your face. Okay, and also protect the face from the sun when you are using this kind of whitening facial cream. The fourth one on my list here is Infinity Glow Whitening Face Cream. There's also another whitening face cream that works on dull face. So maybe if you have a very nice skin tone or you have a whitening skin but your face looks dull, you have pimples, you have dark spots, you have sunburn on your face, or your facial skin tone is not in uniform, you can get this Infinity Glow Whitening Face Cream to whiten your face, to lighten your face, and to also treat the facial problems that you have. I want you guys to understand that this facial cream is also not recommended for dark skin people or a caramel skin people. It's really a face cream that is formulated for people who are fair or people who want to be extra fairer, because the ingredients in this facial cream whiten and lighten the face. And also take note, when you are using this facial cream, protect the face from the sun, or mostly if you are using a whitening face cream, make sure you use it at night. So even during the daytime, you can get a very mild face cream to use on your face before stepping out to town or wherever you want to go. But if you are using a whitening face cream, make sure you protect your face from the sun, otherwise you end up damaging your face. Okay, all this whitening face cream are good for people who want to be extra fairer, or people who are already fair and they have facial problems on the face. Whitening face cream are good to treat facial problems. All right, the fifth one on my list here is Pure Indian White Face Cream. This is also another whitening face cream. Okay, this face cream also whiten, brighten, and lighten the face. This face cream is also not recommended for dark skin people. This face cream is recommended or formulated for people who are fair and they want to be extra fairer. You have to understand that this facial cream is one of the strongest whitening face cream that you can use on your face to whiten the face or to lighten your face. This face cream works on dull face. Okay, it treats dark spots on your face, but you have to be consistent when you are using this facial cream. Don't use this face cream and pause on the way. Don't use it and relax. Okay, you have to use it often, you have to use it on and on. So if you want to whiten your face, some people want their face to whiten than their normal skin tone, and others also want their skin, the body itself, to lighten than the face. Okay, so if you are the type that wants your face to whiten than your normal skin tone or than the body itself, you can grab this Pure Indian White Face Cream to use on your face to whiten your face. It works very effectively, it works very fast. So those who want to achieve that kind of quick results, maybe they are using a facial cream and they want to see the result in 3 days, 3 to 7 days, 7 days to 14 days, you can grab this face cream and use it on your face. Take note, it's not recommended for dark skin people. I like hammering on this because people with dark skin, they don't know what exactly to use on their face. Okay, and it's not recommended for sensitive skin people. So if you are a sensitive skin person or you have a sensitive face, please stay away from this facial cream because you wouldn't like or love the result. Okay, but if you have a normal face, you want to whiten your face, you want to brighten your face, you want your face to be fairer than the body, you can grab any of the whitening facial cream that I mentioned above. Now let me share something with you. Okay, one thing I've noticed is that when you are using a whitening face cream and you expose the body or the face under the sun, you could notice that you sweat a lot and you end up having that kind of reddish on the face. Some of you end up having dark under eye circle on the face, and also some kind of white dots end up coming on your face. So if you are in Africa, especially my country like Ghana, where we experience the hot sun, please, if you are stepping out to town or you are stepping out to your workplace, don't use whitening face cream on your face. Make sure that you get a very nice face toner or a very nice mild face cream to use on the face when stepping out to town or to work during the daytime. But in the night, after using your cleanser, your facial soap, cleaning the face very well, you can use your whitening face cream during the night and sleep. The reason why I'm saying this is that, during the night, you don't go out to walk under the sun. You don't go out to do anything. After bathing or after cleaning yourself, you jump straight to the bed. Okay, most whitening facial cream works effectively during the night. Okay, so if you want to achieve a whitening skin tone, or you want to achieve a whitening face, or you want your face to whiten up or to lighten up, make sure you use your facial product during the night. Okay, but if you live in the country where the weather is normal, you don't expose your face under the sun, or you don't work under the sun, you can use your whitening face cream. Okay, because the sun is not going to damage the face for you. The reason why most people have issue on their face is that they expose the face under the sun when they are using whitening product, and it end up damaging the face for them. So grab this whitening facial creams, use it and leave your review, or if you have ever used any of these facial creams before, you can leave your review under the video, or you can share it with us. Okay, please do remember to subscribe to the channel. Please do well and turn on your notification so that anytime we share tips on skincare products or we give reviews on skincare products, you would be able to receive a notification from us. Adam Care, remember to live life with care, because we care for you. Thank you very much.